Hello, we are back with another tutorial in Figma. Okay, we can add Figma icons. Like this icon here is of beef. We will see how you can add other Figma icons. So just go to plugins, find more plugins, and search for Iconify. As I've already downloaded it, you just need to search Iconify and then install plugin and then run. I have run the Figma plugin Iconify. Now I can view your many symbols. Here you can search your keyword, whatever icon you need to find. So for example, I needed to find travel icon. So I have searched it travels, and here I need to import my icon, so I'll just use importing, or else you can just drag and drop it here, and your plugin is done. It is You just need to increase the size, and that's it. This is the icon which we have dropped off on our board. That's it for today. In the next tutorial, I will definitely share how we can increase the size of this icon which we have imported. Okay, thank you guys.